Hello, thanks so much for tuning in. We already have the last week of January, and I am here to inspire you to go after your health and fitness goals. I'm passionate about fitness. I'm a marathon runner, a triathlete, and I regularly go to the gym. To be honest, if I would be the general manager in a plant or the president of a company, I would encourage my employees to be physically active. I would reward them. Why? Have you ever considered that the word profit includes the word fit? That's right. Mental and physical fitness will lead to organizational fitness. I encourage you to read my article today. It will help you to get started. I am your biggest fan. Please subscribe, like, and share.